What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best turntables in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We will kick things off today with Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT, which stood out with surprising quality at such a low price, securing the title of the best budget turntable available on the market in 2021. Audio-Technica has a long tradition of creating top-notch turntables, but their latest models look to the future by including Bluetooth wireless listening. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT is a great example of how turntables are being renewed in the era of wireless sound. Saves space, too. In the sonic department, the device delivers that staple vinyl crackle, while also securing a solid bass section, punchy mids, and bright treble frequencies. These further depend on the rest of the audio equipment, of course, but you'll be pleased to know that this model is quite compatible with a variety of devices. The product is also incredibly light, weighing only 5.7 pounds, thanks to the widespread use of thin plastic. As for setting this fella up, the process is quite simple but requires some mounting before you can get down to enjoying the sonic benefits of its rotation. You'll need to place the record on the spindle first. When this is done, you can attach the belt to the engine pulley and place the felt pad on the sprocket. Audio-Technica then recommends that you turn the sprocket 10 times by hand to reset the automatic mechanism. Get rid of any belt twists, and ensure that the belt slides smoothly along the bottom of the case. The device can be used with a wired connection, with speakers or headphones, or with a built-in phono equalizer function. If you want, you can also use it with your own external phono amplifier. What's also important to note is that the Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT has a fully automatic operation with 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM. Among other important features, there is compatibility with the aptX codec, anti-resonant cast aluminum bracket, as well as high-fidelity sound with Bluetooth wireless technology. We will add that due to its ease of use, this is a great turntable for beginners. Good stuff. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we have specially selected the Sony PS-LX310BT for you, taking the title of the best value turntable that you can find in the market in 2021. Sony's PS-LX310BT is a stylish turntable that brings a touch of modernity. Its advantage lies in the inclusion of wireless technology. The device only sports several controls. This minimalistic design aspect makes it easy for the user to operate the turntable rather quickly. For starters, we have 3 rectangular buttons on the front perfectly integrated into the design. They're marked as Start, Stop, and Up-Down. They control music playback, activate, raise and lower the tone, and they stop the record playback. There are 3 more controls at the top, a rotary knob for selecting sizes, and a button for turning the speed. It is used to set the appropriate number of rounds for the vinyl record. And there's a Bluetooth button that is used to activate or deactivate the wireless connection and to enter the pairing mode. In the center of the rear side is a 2-pin audio cable for connecting the turntable directly to the audio device. In fact, the Sony PS-LKS310BT is fully automatic, and its starting and stopping are basically completed with buttons without the need to touch your hand. The aluminum plate works perfectly in sync with a belt motor. It is stable enough and doesn't seem to get much vibration from the engine. To protect both your vinyl and your hands, the company has included a robust plastic layer for protection. This Sony model allows vinyl playback at 33 and 45 RPM, which can be adjusted with the dial on the right. The built-in preamp has 3 levels of amplification depending on the frequency of the sound you want to deliver. This avoids distortion problems and allows you to adjust the volume at all frequencies. All in all, the Sony PS-LKS310BT produces decent sound without major quality losses from vinyl. The sound is rich with good sonic details in the high and medium range, and a moderately acceptable response of the lowest values for the initial model. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. For all you fans of cool looks and practical solutions, we believe that the Fluence RT81 turntable is the one to pay attention to, winning the title of Best Design Turntable available on the market in 2021. Top components allow this hi-fi turntable to provide a pure analog listening experience that reproduces performance as the artist imagined. Fluence RT81 turntable offers exceptional clarity, The elliptical status with a diamond tip is specially designed for maximum tracking of the recording grooves with greater fluidity and precision in order to obtain high-definition audio. Perfect playback with an aluminum balanced S-type arm ensures that the tip slides deep into the groove of your recording, creating all the audio details that are no different from the original recording. Also, the Fluence RT81 turntable comes with a beautiful cabinet made of solid MDF wood. It also includes insulating legs, an aluminum plate, and a non-slip rubber pad to further protect the device from those unwanted vibrations. The Fluence RT81 turntable comes in stylish walnut color and the size of 13.75 by 16.5 by 5.5 inches, as well as a weight of 14.1 pounds. All it takes to enjoy the sound of your favorite records is to put on your favorite 33 or 45 RPM albums, then plug in the sound system, and finally, of course, put the needle down. Users will be able to feel every note just as they should, all thanks to the adjustable and balanced counterweight S-type tone arm. What we must not forget when it comes to this top design is the innovative anti-slip regime that will minimize potential scratches and truly caress your favorite music records. Apart from the turntable itself, the package includes a 45 adapter, a 3-foot RCA cable that comes with ground wire, a cover for dust, one 100-volt 240-volt AC adapter, as well as a guide for quick and safe start. Thumbs up for sure. We all know how important it is for beginners to find a turntable that will fully meet their requirements and give them as much simplicity as possible at a lower price while still maintaining the sonic quality. That's why we singled out the Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB as the best beginner turntable that can be found in the market in 2021. Founded in 1962 by Hideo Matsushita, Audio-Technica turntables immediately established themselves as a leader in the production and design of innovative audio products. Compared to its predecessor, the LP120 KS-USB turntables features a new, modernized design with improved features. The upgrades include a new direct-drive DC servo motor, along with adaptive dynamic anti-slip control and a selectable phono preamp. This fully handheld turntable plays 33, 45, and 78 RPM tracks, and is equipped with a USB output that allows direct connection to a computer. Just download the free Mac and PC-compatible Audacity recording software or any other compatible software of your choice and start converting your recordings to digital audio files. But in addition to the USB output, this turntable also comes with a detachable dual RCA output cable and is equipped with a built-in selectable phono preamp, so you can connect directly to a home stereo, whether or not you have a dedicated phono sound input. Audio-Technica LP120X USB is a turntable with a direct drive. Direct drive turntables offer fast starts and stops and great torque, meaning there's no need to worry about their belt wear over the years. The AT-VM950E cartridge is compatible with any replacement probe in the VM95 series, offering a wide range of options for any budget and application. Also, there's a variable tone control with a quartz speed lock and a removable target light for the socket for easy signaling in low light conditions. Finally, there's a balanced H-shaped rest area with hydraulically dampened lift control and lockable rest, as well as an integrated folding phono preamp for line output or phono audiometry. Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB comes in elegant black. It has the size of 13.86 by 17.8 by 5.57 inches. The weight is 17.5 pounds. The perfect option for newbies for sure. And finally, we have reached the gold medal and the title of the best overall turntable that can be found in the market in 2021. And the winner is Project Audio Debut Carbon Evo. The Project Audio Debut Carbon Evo comes in an innovative engine suspension design with the goal of constantly reducing all types of vibration and delivering sound better than ever before. Also, to guarantee the perfect position, the device is supported by 3 height-adjustable aluminum legs. It is specially made of padded TPA and heavy steel. Also included in the mix is a thermoplastic elastometer, the TPE ring. The end result is an even quieter operation with less flicker. Project Audio Debut Carbon Evo also boasts a high-precision engine control. It allows users to change the speed at the touch of a button, which is another advantage and a cool detail to note. Also, the device boasts a one-piece 8.6-inch tone arm in integrated shell and carbon fiber. The Carbon Evo focuses on the basic aspects that make a turntable sound great. This fella offers professional production and build, handmade in the EU. It's made to last a lifetime. The Carbon Evo debut features, as already mentioned, a proven 8.6-inch carbon one-piece design, and a super stiff and light ram arm offer unusual sound quality with a convincing soundstage. In addition to the fact that you can effortlessly change the playback speed at the touch of a button, the playback speed is electronically controlled with the highest precision, resulting in the most accurate and stable speeds. The gold-plated connectors will always provide the best connection. The new debut Carbon Evo comes with an adjustable acrylic dust cover, a 7-inch single adapter, a connected eRCA phono cable, and in addition to the standard drive belt, a specific strap for 78 shots per minute are also included. With this fella, you'll get premium performance and high durability at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.